अटलांटिक संधि संगठन यानी नाटो। उत्तरी अटलांटिक संधि संगठन नाटो की स्थापना 4 अप्रैल 1949 को 12 संस्थापक सदस्यों द्वारा अमेरिका के वाशिंगटन में किया गया था। यह एक अंतर सरकारी सैन्य संगठन है। इसका मुख्यालय बेल्जियम की राजधानी ब्रुसेल्स में अवस्थित है। वर्तमान में इसके सदस्य देशों की संख्या 30 है। नाटो सामूहिक रक्षा के सिद्धांत पर काम करता है, जिसका तात्पर्य यह है कि एक से अधिक सदस्यों पर आक्रमण सभी देशों पर आक्रमण माना जाता है। नाटो का कोई भी निर्णय सभी 30 देशों के सामूहिक इच्छा के आधार पर ली जाती है। नाटो के सदस्य देशों का कुल सैन्य खर्च विश्व के सैन्य खर्च का 70% से अधिक है, जिसमें अमेरिका अकेले अन्य यूरोपीय देशों की तुलना से अधिक खर्चा करता है। इसके उद्देश्य यह था कि स्थापना के समय प्रमुख उद्देश्य पश्चिमी यूरोप में सोवियत संघ की समाजवादी विचारधारा को रोकना था। नाटो आतंकवाद की समस्या से निपटने के साथ साथ आतंकवादी हमले के परिणामों का प्रबंधन करता है, इसकी क्षमताएं और प्राधिकरण का विकास भी करता है। धन्यवाद।
I am Pushpraj from class 7. I am going to some lines of NATO. What is NATO? The North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO was founded in 1949. It is of 30 countries and European and North America that extends the protected to people and territories. यह NATO 30 देशों की सेनाओं से संगठन हुआ, जिसमें 30 कंट्री यूरोपियन का है, 2 कंट्री नॉर्थ अमेरिका का है। और what is important of NATO? NATO is essential during purpose is safeguard the freedom and security of its own members and political military. NATO strives to secure a lasting peace in Europe based on common value of integrating liberty and democracy, human rights, and the rule of law. I am going to say Hindi on NATO. NATO 31 देशों की सेनाओं का संगठन है, जिसमें की सेना सहायता प्रदर्शन की जाती है। इसमें एक देश की सेना दूसरे देश में भेजी जाती है और उन्हें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ट्रेनिंग प्रदर्शन की जाती है और हर एक परिस्थिति से निपटने का संगठन आदेश दिया जाता है। नेटो की स्थापना 4 अप्रैल 1949 में हुई थी। यह एक अंतर सरकारी सेना गठबंधन है। थैंक यू।
My name is Almais Saab. Today I am present here to say some line about NATO. What is NATO? NATO derived from 4 April 1949. It established by USA to counter the Soviet Union. The founding member of NATO was France, USA, UK and Belgium. What NATO do? What is the work of NATO? NATO has a purpose to give the freedom and security to its members throughout the political and military means. What is political? In what way does NATO work on political? NATO promotes the democratic value and enable the member to consult and cooperate on defense, security, related the issue to solve problem, build trust, and in long run prevent conflict. Current situation. What is the situation of NATO currently? In current time, NATO have 30 members, including Greece and Turkey in 1952. The mission result means RSM in Afghanistan that established or launched in 1 January 2015 for avoiding the terrorism in Afghanistan. Its main aim was to provide the further training and advice and assistance for the Afghanistan security. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Harsh Kumar and today's topic is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization, also called North Atlantic Alliance, OTAN. It is an intergovernmental military alliance between 28 European countries and 2 North American countries. The organization implements the North Atlantic Treaty that was signed on 4 April 1949. It has its headquarters in Brussels, Belgium. NATO's purpose is to guarantee the freedom and security of its members through political and military means. NATO promotes democratic values and enables defense and security related issues to solve problems, build trust and in the long run prevent conflict. NATO is committed to the peaceful resolution of disputes. If diplomatic efforts fail, it has the military power to undertake crisis management operations. Every day, members countries consult and take decisions on security issues. Hundreds of officials as well as civilian and military experts come to NATO headquarters each day to exchange information and share ideas and help to prepare decisions when needed in cooperation with national delegations and the staff at NATO headquarters. Thank you.
My name is Ayan, and today's topic is North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO). The North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO) is an alliance of 30 countries that border the North Atlantic Ocean. It was established in 4 April 1949 by the United States, Canada, and several Western European nations to provide collective security against the Soviet Union. The NATO is a military alliance between the United States, Canada, and their European allies. It was formed in the wake of World War II to keep the peace and encourage of political cooperation on both sides of the Atlantic Ocean. NATO's mission is to protect freedom of its members and the stability of their region. Its targets include weapons of mass destruction, terrorism, and cyber attacks. A key aspect of alliance is Article 5, which states that an armed attack against one ally is considered an attack against all allies. In other words, if someone attacks NATO nation, all NATO nations will retaliate. Thank you.